A little chillier today, but there's no wind. And I decided to take the opportunity to get outside and go sit somewhere where I could feel and hug some trees and listen to the birds. I think we all need places to go to take us out of our normal element when we get stuck or we feel stagnated. It's time to move and do something different. Change your scenery. Nature is always a great place to go for inspiration, for connection. The sound of the birds brings me so much joy. It is one of my favorite things in the world. It lifts my spirit and it gives me courage to move forward. And just being able to enjoy this and given the opportunity to enjoy it, for that I have to be thankful. And I think a lot of us have to remember to be thankful for just the smallest of things, because it's those small things that will lead us to our greatest joys. Blue jay screech for confirmation. Take this day, take a moment for yourself, and go find some joy. I think you've earned it. I love you so much.